We see where the local governing body for track and field, the J3As, are grappling with a final decision about the participation of Jamaica's junior athletes in the Caribbean Games, and then the World Under-20 Championships set for August this year. Like seriously? Champs barely keep by the skin of them teeth. Right now, we don't even know if the Senior Olympics are keep. And the J3As are ponder Carifta, which at the best of time is a waste of time. Plus, they are contemplating taking the youngsters to the World Under-20 Championships in Kenya. Wonder how many parents will feel comfortable sending their children off to Kenya right now. And look, there is an important distinction to be made between calling for senior professional sports to resume in Jamaica and clamoring for junior amateur sports involving several thousand miles of travel. That is a different kettle of fish. And for what, really? Junior accolades and bragging rights? Me not sure about that. I think we should get senior, professional, and semi-professional sports up and running, and then we trickle it down to the junior amateur level. But it is not my chance to take. Because you know what them say? It's pure nice. The Maverick make.